Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Ford Fiesta Ambiente. Stock reference number 4467. This shape runs from the 9th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a UEJD 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. UEJD 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand side. We have the right hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left hand headlight. The bonnet appears to have no damage. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a bald tyre. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. Center console, automatic type. Automatic gear shifter. Heating controls, single stack control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and rear seat headrests. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.